5 things to avoid in a kid's room. 1. Lack of zoning. Every kid's room should have clear zones for sleeping, playing, and learning, even in small spaces. 2. Non-scalable furniture. Choose pieces that grow with your child. Modular furniture equals long-term value. 3. Insufficient storage. Clutter kills creativity. Use closed storage to create visual calm and maintain order. 4. Overstimulating design. Kids need stimulation, not chaos. Keep the base palette neutral and layer in accents. 5. Neglecting lighting. Use layered lighting, ambient, task, and night lighting to support all activities and moods. Wrap up. Designing for kids isn't about trends, it's about flexibility, safety, and smart use of space. Follow for refined interior strategies that grow with your home.